February 2024, Brooklyn, Ohio. Police receive a dispatch reporting a crocodile loose inside a residence during a domestic dispute. Officers arrive expecting a potential public safety emergency. Instead, they encounter a man walking near a gas station holding a reptile. He explains that it is not an alligator, but a dwarf caiman, a reptile, he says, he legally purchased from a pet store.
Are you Courtney?
No, I'm not Courtney. I'm her cousin.
You're her cousin?
Yeah.
Okay, where the one that lives here?
Yeah, Courtney lives. Yeah.
Do you live here?
No, I live here with her.
Okay, are your kids inside?
My kids are inside.
There's no alligator inside?
He walked down the street with me.
How big's this alligator?
Yeah, if you want to say this long. It's
Is it a caiman?
I don't know. It's a dwarf. Yeah, it's a dwarf caiman.
Okay.
And he got a mom. I'm surprised I didn't see.
What's he wearing?
What is he wearing? What do he have on? Blue hoodie, black pants. He's at that gas station down there.
Okay.
Alright. It's cool, man, but I'm confused.
No, it's a dwarf caiman.
Yeah, so for some reason we got a call saying it was loose in the house, and obviously it's not loose in the house. You guys are still working through all that.
Who? Never loose in the house.
Yeah, well, you have it under control, obviously.
Yeah, why would I have it
So,
loose?
okay. Out of curiosity, like, how does one even get one?
They dwarf caimans, so they totally legal. They ban on crocodiles and alligators. Dwarf caimans, they don't get no bigger than 5 feet. So you don't have to have
so that's how?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're good, the family's good?
Yeah.
All that? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on between you two, but we at least had to check, make sure there's not, like, we didn't know anything.
Bro, I'm not, as you can clearly see,
Yeah.
she would never, I only took her out to get the algae off of her so she could go back in the tank.
Yeah. All right. Let me check on something real quick, and we'll get you on your way.
What happened?
73050. Repeat that traffic. I didn't hear it. I was transferring radio. Someone's calling me. Well, nothing terribly wrong. You're saying it's legal, but apparently there is some kind of ordinance against it.
No, there is no ordinance against the dwarf caiman. They are totally legal. They sell them at pet stores all around.
Pet stores sell illegal animals all the time.
This is not illegal. It's called a dwarf caiman.
Okay, it's an exotic animal, correct?
They consider crocodiles and...
Would you consider a crocodile an exotic animal?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have an ordinance against exotic animals.
This is a dwarf caiman.
I understand that.
It's illegal in the state of Ohio.
Okay, cities are allowed to be more strict than state law.
Yeah, we have our different ordinances.
Yeah.
If you lived out in the country, it wouldn't matter. There's more specific things in Brooklyn.
They never told me that I could not have a dwarf caiman.
Where'd you get this thing?
Pet store.
I bought it at a pet store.
Like around here?
Yeah, South Euclid. But they also sell them right here on Brook Park, so I don't understand.
No, just because they sell them doesn't mean.
People sell a lot of things that are illegal, so.
Well, he's pulling up the ordinance. We're not going to continue. If it is an issue, all right.
Dude, what happened this morning?
I don't know. I came there, she wasn't even there, so I don't understand. I really don't. I literally came to the gas station. My neighbor helped me wash the algae off. If you look at my driveway, you can see the bucket of...
Hey, it looks clean.
No, it had a lot of algae built up from the tank.
Well, why would she call us that you let it out?
Why would I let...
Dude, I don't know. That's how the call came in.
I don't know.
Are you guys arguing again?
No, she wasn't even there.
She just pulled up and your cousin and the cousin's there.
Listen, they just both pulled up. I've been at the house. I literally just ordered me pizza.
Okay.
I came here because they don't accept $100 bill. Me and my neighbor washed my alligator out.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right. So here's what we're checking on. We're making sure that there's no law being broken with the alligator thing.
It's not an alligator. It's a dwarf caiman.
Dwarf caiman.
Yes.
All right. That's essentially what we're checking on, and then we'll be on our way. You know Tiger King, right?
Huh?
No,
Yeah, I know.
yeah. He's
So exotic.
Yeah. He's got all those animals. He can do it because he's out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, but this is a dwarf caiman. These are totally
Yeah, totally different. Not a tiger, not a huge animal.
No. They don't get no bigger than 5 feet.
Yeah,
That's why you're allowed to have them. Like, I can even look it up for you.
yeah.
Hey, Delonte,
Yeah.
can we put the alligator in the back of this car?
What?
Because you can't have it.
It's not an alligator.
Yeah, it's an exotic animal. We have an ordinance against it.
This is a dwarf
So,
caiman.
okay, that's fine. It's a dwarf caiman. That's fine. It's illegal to possess it in the city of Brooklyn. So, we're going to secure it and call our animal control officer and see how we're going to handle this, all right?
So if they say it's legal here, for me
It's
to
not
own a dwarf
illegal
caiman-
here, or it's not legal here. That's what I am telling you. It doesn't matter what state law says. The city of Brooklyn, like you're not allowed to have a pit bull in the city of
Why
Brooklyn.
can't my family members just come get my animal?
Because that's not how we're doing. You've committed a crime in our city.
I
So
paid for this animal.
I understand that. I'm not saying we're seizing it right now. We're going to call our animal control
Let's
officer.
put him in here.
So we're going to ask you to do it since you're holding him.
Yeah. I've never handled an alligator, so.
It's not an alligator. It's the
Okay,
dwarf caiman.
dwarf
Okay,
caiman.
well, I'm just alligator,
Tomato,
crocodile
tomato.
thing, whatever.
Watch his tail.
Yep. Let's. All
Let
right.
me make sure that. Let me get a picture of it and make sure that. And literally.
Delonte, turn around for me.
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
You're under arrest
What did I do?
for the exotic animal.
What did I do?
You're not allowed to own it. It's a crime. It's a misdemeanor of the 3rd degree. It's an arrestable offense.
I didn't do anything.
I don't know what you don't understand here. You did. You are not allowed to possess that. Just like you're not allowed to possess drugs, right?
I bought it at a pet store.
Okay, people buy drugs from drug dealers. Doesn't mean it's legal.
Yeah.
How old are you?
32 years old.
32. This isn't a hard concept to understand. You are in possession of something that is illegal to be in possession of. Therefore, that is called a crime. It's an arrestable crime. So right now, you are under arrest. I can't explain it any other way.
I want your money.
Good.
I got a key. He's got money in there.
All right, we're gonna go. All right.
It's 2254 right here. $22.54 radio. All right, we have 1 caiman and 1 black male in custody.
Copy.
What's your name?
Are you Courtney?
Yeah, he just I was walking into the house and he was walking like he was yes. He trashed it. He completely. I can find my house. I don't want to come my house. My house is destroyed. Yes. He. I didn't hear you. My house is a mess. Can you hear me? My house is. I don't want him back at the house. I don't want him back at the house, please. Yes, that's my husband. He is destroying the house and he got that clock around his kids. He is not thinking rational right now. I Because I will have to find it right down the street. I just got to call it home, okay? All right. I'm going to I'm changing my life. Even if they take him, still
During the conversation, the man repeatedly explains that the animal is a dwarf caiman and that he purchased it legally from a pet store. Under Ohio law, certain exotic reptiles may be legally owned, depending on classification and permitting requirements under Ohio Revised Code Section 935.01 and Ohio Revised Code Section 935.02, which regulate dangerous wild animals in the state. The suspect relies on this point, arguing that because the animal is legal under state law, his possession must also be lawful. However, the officers are evaluating a different legal framework. Municipal governments in Ohio possess independent regulatory authority through home rule powers. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 715.23, municipalities may regulate animals within their jurisdiction for public safety and nuisance prevention. Brooklyn exercised that authority by passing local exotic animal restrictions contained in Brooklyn Codified Ordinance Section 505.00, Brooklyn Codified Ordinance Section 505.06, Brooklyn Codified Ordinance Section 505.08, and Brooklyn Codified Ordinance Section 505.22. Those ordinances prohibit the possession of certain exotic animals within city limits, even if the animal might otherwise be lawful elsewhere in Ohio. This distinction reflects a recurring issue in Ohio constitutional law. When does state law override local regulation? Courts have addressed this question in decisions such as State ex rel, Rocky Ridge Development, LLC versus Winters, Cincinnati versus Hoffman, and Cincinnati versus Baskin. These cases confirm that municipalities may enact stricter local regulations so long as the ordinance does not directly conflict with a general state law. In other words, state law allowing something does not automatically prevent a city from restricting it locally. Once officers verify that the reptile qualifies as an exotic animal prohibited under the Brooklyn Ordinance, the legal threshold shifts. The suspect is physically holding the animal in public within city limits. That observation establishes probable cause that he is violating the municipal ordinance prohibiting possession of an exotic animal. The officers explain that the violation constitutes a misdemeanor offense under the city code. Because the offense occurs directly in the officer's presence, Ohio law authorizes a custodial arrest. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.03, a police officer may arrest a person without a warrant when a criminal offense is committed in the officer's presence. The Fourth Amendment does not prohibit custodial arrest for minor offenses. The United States Supreme Court confirmed this principle in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, holding that an officer may make a full custodial arrest even for relatively minor misdemeanor violations observed firsthand. At this point, the encounter transitions from investigation to enforcement. Officers take physical custody of the caiman and place the suspect under arrest for possession of a prohibited exotic animal, a misdemeanor offense under the Brooklyn Municipal Code. The reptile is transferred to animal control authorities. According to local reporting, the arrest occurred after police received the initial complaint of a crocodile loose inside the residence during a family dispute. Officers later located the man walking along the roadway, carrying the reptile, before taking him into custody and charging him with possession of a prohibited animal. The legal significance of this incident lies in the interaction between state permissive law and municipal restriction. Many people assume that if state law allows an activity, that activity must be legal everywhere within the state. Ohio's home rule structure demonstrates otherwise. Cities retain authority to impose stricter local public safety regulations so long as they do not directly conflict with statewide statutes. Once officers confirmed that the animal fell within Brooklyn's prohibited exotic animal ordinance, probable cause existed for a municipal misdemeanor committed in their presence. Under both Ohio arrest law and Fourth Amendment precedent, the custodial arrest that followed falls squarely within established constitutional authority. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.